What you do is you say y prime, or you could say dy dx if you want to. What you do is you say, well, I look at the outer function, the sine function, and I know that the derivative of sine is cosine. And so I know that the inside is not x, it's x squared. So what you do is you say the derivative of sine of the outermost function, you take its derivative and write cosine x squared. Now, a lot of students would think this is the final answer before you learned about the chain rule, because the derivative of sine is cosine, and this just comes along for the ride. But what you then do is you have to then multiply by the derivative of the inner function. You multiply by the derivative of the inner function, which is the x squared function, and you mark it as you have to take that derivative in the next step. So it's the derivative of the outer function, unadulterated, unchanged with the inner, kind of like whatever's on the inside, but then you take that and you multiply it by the derivative of the inside. And so y prime is going to be cosine of x squared, and the derivative of the inside here is 2x. And so y prime is 2x times cosine of x squared. And this is exactly what I wrote here. Learn anything at mathandscience.com.